In this video, I'll show you how to set up Runbook permissions. Runbooks can have their access limited or excluded by certain groups. For example, you may want members of your team to be able to list users but not delete users. Head on over to Settings and then Runbook Permissions. In my example, the group CFG-RealmJoin-Demo is only allowed to run the export non-compliant devices. In order to grab the group ID, head on over to Enter ID, find your group, and copy and paste the object ID. In order to select the correct names for your runbooks, head on over to your RealmJoin automation account, and then copy and paste the name of the runbook in which you wish to allow or disallow for that security group. Once you're done, click Save, and you're finished.